Welcome everyone. So today our topic is gamete formation and fertilization of lesson life processes in living organism part 2, and this is for class 10 science 2. So student, we have completed sexual reproduction topic in our earlier video. So we have seen sexual reproduction is a process in which new individual or offspring are produced by the union of male gamete and female gamete, and the two main process of sexual reproduction are gamete formation and fertilization. So these two process of sexual reproduction we are going to study in today's video. So let's study. Alright, so we have seen human male reproductive system and human female reproductive system in our earlier video. So student, the picture you can observe on the screen is a human male reproductive system, and by human male reproductive system, the sperm or male gamete is produced by the process of meiosis, and the male gamete is known as a sperm. And next we have with it human female reproductive system. So this is a diagram of human female reproductive system in which you can observe different organs like uterus, fallopian tube or oviduct, and a pair of ovaries, cervix and vagina. Okay, so the female reproductive system produces female gamete that is called as ovum or egg. So we have completed these two reproductive system in detail in our previous video. So let's move further. Okay, so let's have a look on surprising facts about system. Okay, so first is length of each epididymis is about 6 meters. So student, epididymis is a part of a male reproductive system, and you can observe here the epididymis, and this is a tightly coiled tube that is attached to each of the testes, and length of a sperm is about 60 micrometers. So student, sperm is a male gamete, okay, which is produces in the male reproductive system. So here you can observe the structure of a sperm in which you can see head, tail and midpiece. So this structure is of 60 micrometers, and such a small sperm that is about 60 micrometer has to cross the distance of approximately 6.5 meter while passing out of the male reproductive system, and sperm needs large amount of energy for this purpose, and fructose is present in the semen. So student, after ejaculation, sperm acquire more amount of energy. Why? Because the sperm cells have to move towards the egg cell in order to fertilize it. So that is why sperm required more amount of energy, and this is provided by the semen, and in semen it contains fructose. So sperm use this energy, this as a fuel. Okay, so the two main process occur in the sexual reproduction is the gamete formation, that is formation of a male gamete and female gamete by the process of meiosis, and next is the fertilization, that means the female gamete, or sorry, the female egg cell is fertilized by the male sperm cell, okay, to form a zygote, diploid zygote. So this is a fertilization process. Okay, now let's first understand about gamete formation. So student, both gametes, that is male and female, that is sperm and ovum, are formed by the meiosis. So in meiosis, the number of chromosomes are reduced to half. That means if a cell containing 46 chromosomes, so when meiosis takes place for the formation of a gametes, the chromosome number will be decreased from 46 to 23. It is half. Okay, so here you can observe the human egg cell, that is ovum, and human sperm cell, it is called as a spermatozoa. And sperms are produced in testes of men from beginning of maturation, puberty till death. And student, puberty is the age of a age in which the physical changes are occurs from through which a child's body matures into an adult body capable of a sexual reproduction. So however, in case of a woman, at the time of a birth, there are 2 to 4 million immature oocytes. So we oocyte in the ovaries of female fetus. So oocyte, I have explained in earlier video that oocyte are the immature or developing egg cells or female gametes. Okay, so this is the ovary and uterus. So this eggs or the oocytes or ovum are produces in the ovary, and when it is matured, so it will pass out from the oviduct into the uterus, and where in the uterus it is developing into the fetus. and oocyte matures and is released from ovary every month from the beginning of maturity up to the age of menopause, approximately 45 years of age. So what is menopause? Okay, so student, menopause is the stoppage of functioning of female reproductive system, and at the age of about 45 to 50 years, secretion of hormones controlling the functions of female reproductive system either stops or becomes irregular, and this causes a menopause. So due to the secretion of hormones controlling the functions are stopped, so we know that there are two female hormones are there, that is progesterone and estrogen. Okay, so after the age of 45 to 50 years, the production of a hormone is less or it is stopped, so that is why the menopause takes which is this causes the menopause. So here you can see the diagram in which you can observe the age at the age of a 20, 30, 35 till 40. Okay, estrogen level is high in female, but in 40, 50 and 60 years of age, it average menopause, and at the age of a 80, hormone secretion are stops. So it is a decreasing of a estrogen level in a female from age of a 20 till 80 years. Okay, our next topic is fertilization. Okay, so student, for formation of a zygote by union of a sperm, that is a male sex cell, and ovum, that is a female cell, is called as a fertilization. And fertilization is internal in humans, and it takes place in the uterus, and semen is ejaculated in the vagina during copulation. So student, what is ejaculation? So ejaculation is a discharge of semen from male reproductory tract. So it is discharge into vagina of a female during copulation. Okay, so here you can observe the secretion of or ejaculation into vagina, and sperm is there present in the ovary, and sperms in the numbers of few millions start their journey by the route of a vagina, uterus and oviduct. So sperm will enter into the vagina, and then it will passes from uterus to the oviduct, and then finally to the ovary, and in the ovary we have the oocytes or ovum. So this is a path by which sperm transfer from vagina to the oviduct. Okay, so one of those few million sperms fertilize the only ovum present in the oviduct. That means student, sperms in the numbers of sperms are present in the number millions of number, but out of these million, only one sperm is required to fertilize the female egg cells or to fertilize the ovum. So here you can observe only one sperm is fertilizing the female egg cell. So from the age of a puberty up to the menopause, from 10 to 17 years of age up to 45 to 50 years, an ovum is released every month from the ovary. That is, out of 2 to 4 million oocytes, and approximately only 400 oocytes are released up to the age of a menopause. Okay, and remaining oocytes undergo degeneration. Okay, do you know oocytes released from ovaries during last few months nearing the age of a menopause are 40 to 50 years old, and their ability of division has been diminished till now. That means at the age of a menopause, the ability of division of the oocytes have been diminished, and due to this they cannot complete meiotic division properly. And due to this, if such oocytes are fertilized, the newborns produced from them may be with some abnormalities like Down syndrome. So student, here you can see the child suffering from Down syndrome. So student, it is a disease or it is a syndrome in which in a child one extra chromosome, 21 number of a chromosome is present extra. So that is, instead of 46, a child containing 47 number of a chromosome. So student, that's it for today's video. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.